Hi there and welcome back. This is Craving Lux and this is 25 Days of Unboxmas. And today I have a very, very unique Chanel reveal. So this bag only came out once and never came out again. And I don't know why, because it's one of my favorite and most unique seasonal Chanel bags. Yeah. So let's get to the matcha reveal. And here are the measurements. So the question is, why did I choose this? Well, this bag has two double CCs, right? So why would I like this? Of course I would like this, right? It's got double CCs. And this one is magnetic and this one is a turn lock closure. Yeah, so you can put the smaller items in here, maybe lipstick and maybe things like that. And you can put the bigger, more secure stuff here. Wallets, phones, because this is a turn lock, right? And this is not your grandma's Chanel bag at all. So I think this bag is a really good alternative to the walk, the wallet on chain. And the thing is this is a series 27. And I saw this bag at the store back in 2019. And I saw this in yellow. And I remember telling myself that if I can find this in black, I'm game, I'm all over it, right? And many years later, I did find this on the pre-loved market. And the reason why I wanted this in the black is because this falls right close to your body, right? So if this was yellow, then I would get all kinds of color transfer, right? And especially with lambskin, I understand lambskin takes color well, but because of the color transfer, I would not wear lambskin if it's not black, right? So to get most out of this bag, I decided to get it in black. And I'm not sure if it came out in other colors. I've only seen this in yellow and black. And you know that I have to really, really love this bag to get it in lambskin, right? Because I'm on team caviar. And so far, I've never seen this in caviar. So I don't know if this comes out in caviar, but if it did, I'm getting another one. I'm letting you know. If this came out in caviar in a color, I'm getting that. So this bag is absolutely a showstopper. It's very comfortable crossbody. I wish it came out in caviar, but I've only seen this in lambskin, right? Yeah, so love, love, love. This is one of my favorite seasonal bag, hands down. Oh yes. So the question is, how much did I save? All right, so this bag at the store, this retailed for $4,000. And I paid on eBay, not a sponsored video. So I paid $3,000. So I saved $1,000. Can you believe it? So I saved 25%. Yeah, 25%, that's not a steal, but I think 25% is still a great savings, especially because this one is almost new condition. And back then in 2019, I think the wallet on chain was around $2,500. So this being $4,000, I see why people were maybe, maybe not. But at $3,000, it's a steal. Because if you think about that, the second pouch, this one's only $500, right? Girl math. Or whatever you want to call it, right? Yeah, so for me, I think $3,000 for a double Chanel bag like this is a steal, especially now. Because I think now walks are $3,800. So this is cheaper than what they sell at the store today. So what are my first impressions? Or in this case, what are my impressions? Because I've had this bag for 3 years at this point, almost going 4. Yeah. So I love to wear this bag as crossbody. With long coats, dresses. And I think keeping the long silhouette makes this bag pop. And of course, this bag is in lambskin, so I do have to baby it, right? But this bag is such a statement. And I'm totally surprised that they haven't brought this bag back. But the thing is, if they do, I'm sure this is going to have a huge price increase because it's got 2 bags. Oh yeah, that's just how Chanel is, right? So yeah, I'm super glad I got this. And I totally forgot that I haven't unboxed this bag on this channel. Because I got this back in 2022, I believe. Or maybe even 2021. Novelty items like this, I think this is not a boring Chanel bag. I think this is super exciting, easy to wear. I would recommend this bag to anybody who loves walks and smaller bags, for sure. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.